Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over how to add a checkbox to your Excel file. The first step that you want to do is see if you have the developer tab in your Excel. As you can see from my Excel screen, we do not have the developer tab. So let's add the developer tab. What you can do is right click up here where the home tab is, customize your ribbon. From here, customize the ribbon, you can scroll down and see that the developer tab has been unchecked. Click this, press OK, and now we have the developer tab. So we can go to the developer tab, insert, and under form controls, you will see the checkbox. You can add a checkbox, click this, and you can move it around to where you would like it. You can also rename your checkbox. Maybe it's done, or maybe you said completed. Once you're done, click out of the box. If you would like to activate the checkbox, all you have to do is click the check. Once you're done, you can simply keep inserting checkboxes until you're done. From here, if you want to change the text that you've written out in your checkbox, all you have to do is right-click this, and you can edit the text. So if you wrote a spelling mistake or you just want to change the way that it's coming up, simply click there. So here, if you right-click, you can also format the control. So it comes up here. You can choose that it's unchecked, checked, or mixed. Mixed basically means that it's a mixed option. It's not quite done. Maybe it's in progress. So if you do a mixed option, okay, you'll see that it's just grayed out instead of an empty checkbox or a box with a check mark. You can unclick it like that. And when it's fully complete, you can add the check mark. Now let's say we want to just copy this over and over and over throughout all of our task items. Copy, paste, and just move that to where you want it to go. Keep pasting until you're done with all your options. And with that, you've been able to add checkboxes to your Excel task list. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.